So hello, welcome to sunny California. Right then, we're at the iconic Land Rover graveyard. Kind of graveyard. You ready to look? It's going to blow your mind. God. Wow. So I don't. What's the story on this place? I don't know the story.
I'm guessing it's a breakers.
They're not doing many breaking, are they?
Exactly. Why just leave them all sat here?
Look at these. Oh, they're just stunning.
That was my favourite shape.
Yeah, this is my favourite shape with those wheels. There's a door there if you want one. I mean, they're in really good nick. I mean, exceptional nick. Looks like it's been polished. I know it's wet, but still clean. Look at the wheels on this one. This is just beautiful, this one is. This is the best colour and the best combination. I absolutely love this one. Kids here look for sale, I think. We actually thought we got nicked then. A van came bombing down here like he was angry and then he just drove straight past us. I mean, some of these are wide open, look. Unreal. Some are open too. So it's definitely a breaker's yard.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. See, my favourite one is this one here.
Yeah.
Yeah. See the colour, look, it's like a chameleon, it's like a blue and a green together.
Oh yeah.
Really cool colours. Wow, look at these here. This looks like an overfinch one. I think so. I'm worried now, I just want to get it done. Wow, look at that. God, look at the interior, it smells.
It's a Westminster, this one.
Westminster. So that's upper class, very upper class one, yeah. Oh, Westminster, so proper jobby. No way, I love these colours. The colour of these are lovely. Sorry. It's a gorgeous colour.
I've noticed it before.
It's lovely, isn't it? It's like a colour shift.
Yeah.
Wow. Not many to choose from. One's missing.
Yeah.
A Mini. That's been here a while. Look at that wheel, that's been there a long time. God. I can't explain how cold it is. It's freezing. Wow. There's an awful lot of clean ones. Quite a lot of spares just scattered all over the place here. This one's just been dumped. Theoretically, I mean, it just looks like it's been dumped. I mean, some of these are lovely still. Locked up. I mean, you think why some of these are like this? That's nice.
Yeah.
Discovery. One thing I'm definitely discovering over here is a cold. That's for a sure fact. I mean, if you just look at this is an awful lot here, but up there there's a hell of a lot more. And as we came over the top of the hill past these units, they're just scattered. I I've never seen so many Range Rovers, Land Rovers in one spot in my life. It's kind of sad really, because this is where they all are going to end up and being stripped and no longer be on the road. I'm glad none of my favourite ones are here though.
Surely you can get bits off each one and put them on one to make it roadworthy.
I bet most of these are roadworthy. I bet most of these were turnkey. I bet they drove here.
It's just such a waste.
It is. It is. That one's sat on its arse. Cool, that one's a bit ghetto, isn't it?
Yeah,
I came straight out of a council estate. Got the spray job on that. Fucking hell. I mean, they're in the right environment. They're at home. Mud, water, dampness. So they're certainly home, but just not in the right sense, because they're not going to be used as a normal car anymore. They're just here to be broken. Well, that one looks like they've tried turning it into an Escalade. Looks like a Cadillac. Ugly wheels and just way too white. No imagination whatsoever. That's just too much white, that is. It's like an Escalade.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Horrible, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just they've gone for American kind of theme there.
Yeah, yeah.
Defeats the object of being a flipping Range Rover. It's bloody awful, isn't it? Debadged it the lot. God. Horrible. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, it just goes forever. Unreal. So this is a well-known breaker, so it's not like it's hard to find. So if you're interested in Land Rover, Range Rover parts, I'm pretty sure this is the place to come, because you're definitely going to get what you need. And the old Shogun. And look, there's two cars coming down now. Oh God. These ones have been here a very long time. So I mean, if they're breakers, you can just tell that these aren't really desirable cars anymore. And with the fuel crisis we have now, these are dead in the water. It's freezing. That must be the one that they use to go pick parts of. Maybe or maybe not. Well, that Land Rover just come back down and he's just turned it into there. Yeah. So at one point, they must have been making a lot of money. And then, obviously with the way the climate's gone and COVID and everything else, and the cost of living, these types of vehicles are just going to be non-existent, because they're just too expensive to run. Which is a sad shame really. These wheels are awful. This has been here a long time also. Wow. Is that a cave up there?
One hell of a waste. Yeah.
I mean, these are probably still, you know, worth stocking up and stripping for parts, because there's still a lot of these on the road, but I just don't think there's many of these on the road. And it's a shame for this Westminster. Stunning colour alloys, like a good metal grey. That's definitely my cup of tea.
Nice one.
It is. It's staying on the landscape, isn't it? But it's kind of crazy, because the whole reason these vehicles were built was for this type of landscape.
Yeah.
This type of terrain, and now it's kind of ironic. It's done full circle. These are now part of the terrain that they're supposed to conquer, and now the terrain's conquering them. 3 hours to get to this location. So as you can see, the mass, basically in this line here alone, there's almost 30. There's so many. That white Range Rover down there though, does look American. So they've done a good job of trying to make it stand out from the rest. And I mean, like I say, they go up there, it just goes on forever. The amount of Range Rovers here is just unprecedented. Up there in that one corner, there's about 30 up there too. I would like to have a proper record and walk all the way around, but I don't know. I'm quite happy with this bit here. Right, we're gonna walk back down to the car now. There's not much else to record here. It's a short video, but still a very, in my opinion, a very good one. So I've now got 3 hours to drive back. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Remember, don't limit yourself, and until next time, see you soon. So these two Sierras here, look. So it's been a long time since I've been here. As you can tell, that these BMWs have never been moved, and they sure as damned are not being moved anytime soon.